Foreign workers in Canada. How to protect your rights and stay without fear of deportation. Foreign workers in Canada. In this video, we will focus on the following topics. 1. Your rights as a foreign worker. 2. What to do if your rights are violated. 3. How to gather evidence. 4. Reporting abuse. 5. Staying in Canada without fear of deportation. Know your rights. Protect yourself as a foreign worker in Canada. As a foreign worker in Canada, you have rights. No one should be treated unfairly, and we're here to help you understand what to do if you're facing challenges with your employer. Every foreign worker in Canada has the right to fair treatment. This includes being paid fairly for your work, working in a safe environment, taking rest breaks and days off, keeping your passport and personal documents, accessing health care and other services. What to do if your rights are violated. If your employer is not respecting your rights or if you are facing abuse, you are not alone. Here's what you can do. First, document everything. Keep records of your hours, pay, and any incidents. Second, talk to someone you trust. They can help guide you on the next steps. Gathering evidence. When reporting your employer, it's important to gather as much evidence as possible. Here's what you should collect. Pay stubs and employment contracts. Keep copies of your pay stubs, contracts, and any other written agreements with your employer. Work schedules. Record your work hours, including any overtime, and compare them with what you're being paid. Photos and videos. If possible, take photos or videos of unsafe working conditions, injuries, or any mistreatment you experience. Correspondence. Save text messages, emails, or any other communication with your employer, especially if they show abuse or threats. Witness. If coworkers have seen or experienced similar issues, ask if they'd be willing to provide statements. Reporting abuse. You can report abuse or violations to authorities. Here's how. Call the confidential, toll-free helpline at 1-866-602-9448, available 24/7. Visit the website of Employment and Social Development Canada, ESDC, to file a complaint at www.canada.ca/employment-social-development, HTML. If you're part of the Temporary Foreign Worker Program, you can contact the Program Support Center for help. Reach out to local legal aid or workers' rights organizations for guidance and support. Getting help and staying in Canada. If you're worried about losing your job or being sent home, remember, you can apply for an open work permit if you're experiencing abuse. This allows you to work for a different employer. Legal aid services can help you with your application and provide advice on staying in Canada. Community organizations and support centers can assist you in navigating the process. You have rights. You have rights as a foreign worker. Don't be afraid to stand up for yourself and seek help when you need it. Together, we can make sure that Canada is a safe place for everyone to work. For more information, visit www.canada.ca/employment-social-development, HTML, or call 1-866-602-9448. For more resources and assistance, visit the official government website or call the helpline. Your rights matter.